Let's get to meet you. Your name, sir?
My name is Mazi Eche John Watts.
Okay.
And I write for daily independent newspapers.
Okay.
I'm a journalist and a blogger.
So now, the reason why you are here today is about book launch and all of that. How, I don't know, how many times have you seen book launch in this part of the world for a while now?
Well, I have to confess that here, because of the commercial nature of this area, people tend to place much emphasis on commercial things instead of intellectual
properties and all of that.
Yes. And for somebody to just come out from the crowd and decided to invest or to go towards intellectual development, I think it's a plus.
Okay.
And I like it.
Okay.
And I will say that I'm so thrilled, I'm so moved, and I like such move.
Okay.
Because I know there's not a time commercial endeavor develops, human beings. But what develops human is all about intellectual properties, development.
Okay.
So it's a very right move in a very right direction.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
My name is Uzo Ogunze.
Okay.
Media consultant. So I write for National State Newspaper.
Okay.
Some of the blogs as well.
Okay.
I write for the state government as well.
Okay.
So as I saw this book, Hiphop And Igbo culture.
Yeah.
Well, I've not been able to go through the book.
Yeah.
But I know that maybe it has to do with how hip-hop has influenced our culture. I wouldn't know.
Or how our culture influenced hip-hop.
How our culture
Okay.
influenced
Hip-hop itself.
Hip-hop itself.
Okay.
Whatever be the case, I must commend you for painstakingly taking time to pen down these things.
Okay.
They normally say that if you want to hide something from an African or Nigeria particularly, you write it on a book. You will never see it.
Okay.
I love hope that level of enlightenment, of literacy, emancipation, people will find the reason to read it and maybe learn one or two things
from it. Okay.
So I must encourage you.
Okay.
Creativity.
Thank you. Thank you. The idea of launching a book in this part of the world, how popular is that?
Well, anytime you say launching, people will feel that you want to collect his money. He does not even want to know what you're doing.
Yes.
But if he's disposed to give, sometimes the easy part of the world, when you hear launching, they're not even launching it for them to read it. They're launching it for them to belong, to identify with the person. So they may feel like say money spending or something. But I believe that if they come close, and it's what you're trying to contribute to your own quota, developing their society. So I just believe that you work hard for it. You don't wait until you reach the bridge.
Okay, we'll cross it. Okay, no problem. Thank you so much, sir. Well, sir, Biko, let's get to meet you. Your name, sir?
Okay, my name is Shinobi.
Okay.
I write for Vanguard newspapers.
Okay.
I also have some other blogs.
Okay. So, the reason why you're here today is about this book launch, and looking at it, what is your take? How do you perceive this particular thing?
Okay. Book launch, yes. Coming from a journalist, who is always busy, it's something to praise the person involved.
Okay.
Because I know that this is a job that is so tasking.
Yeah.
And for somebody, a journalist, to sit down and write a book, I think that person must be commended.
Okay.
Because it's not easy. Personally, I cannot do it now.
Okay.
Because we are very busy people. So you are covering programs events and other things,
Yeah.
and you still have time to come and write
It's
a
a book.
you present to the public. My brother, it's not easy.
Okay.
It's something that should
We commended. Okay.
And again, when it is coming from a journalist, it's another thing altogether.
Okay. Looking at the title, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, or what does that say to you, sir?
It's only when I
Get to just the title alone should suggest something.
Because I have seen hip hop and
Igbo culture.
Igbo culture.
So hip hop and
I was
Igbo.
not trying to
Merge it together.
how hip hop and Igbo culture
Yes.
can go together.
Okay.
I'm sure this book must be entertaining.
Okay.
We are waiting. We are waiting.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.